Alright, here's another video. It's happened on Saturday, November 7th of 2020 at 11:09 a.m. The day that Biden was announced that he is going to be the projected winner of the POTUS of 2020. So right here I'm cruising around on FDR going north, and I'm driving here near exit 12. And as you guys can see, I'm not sure if you guys can see right here. Right here is a entrance ramp, and I'm here on my left lane. Now I'm just gonna start the video here, and as you guys can see, this BMW already ignores the yield sign and just keeps going straight in front of the Honda. Now right here is a Honda CR something. It's not a CRV, HRV. A lot of times cars just don't yield here, and I already checked on my right hand side to make sure that there was no one here, because I know someone here is just gonna cup around. This is a yield sign right here, which means this person yields while entering into traffic. Now this car completely does not even try stopping, just keeps going on, and basically almost hits me right here. This is my front view camera, and as you can tell, they almost hit me right here, and then completely ignoring the yield sign and almost getting into an accident. And if I weren't prepared for this and I didn't look, if I was a first-time driver here, this Honda would have completely hit my car. And this is crazy. This Honda driver right here did that. So moving on, I'm trying to get his license plate. I believe I get it later on. I'm pretty sure I don't get it at all because they just stayed in the back behind me after that. But yeah, I steer clear of this person. It's annoying that this happened, and I almost got into an accident.